I'm a Padma teacher. Pratibha School, Chaitanya School, Prayadashini Convent, Sai Vidya Mandir, Rama Convent, Chaitanya School, SVL Tutorials, Pratibha School, Chintalvalsa Police Quarters, Bhavani Convent, Prayadashini Convent, Madhulpalu Saraswati Vidyanalayam, Madhumati School, Rama Convent, Sai Vidya Mandir, Chaitanya School, Pratibha Vidya Nidayam. I am a Padma teacher, lower class teacher, 20 years experience.